No, the plate is not the food. You have to use your... No, Charles. This is your tray. Here's your knife. No, Charles, you're not eating that. That one. Cucumber. See? This one. You have to put it in the plate. This is your tray, Charles. You have peanut. Oh, this is... Charles, oh. Corn. Burger. You have burger. See, you have peas. Oh, you like the corn? Charles, there's a knife. You have to cut. Look, this is your knife, Charles. Cut the potato. See, you have to cut the potato, Charles. Uh-oh, cut the potato. Oh, no. No! This is your tray. This is your knife. Ay. Charles, this is the potato, oh. No. Where's the cucumber? Bitter gourd. Oh, ampalaya. Ani, ampalaya na. Saan ka ampalaya? Ala, gamatoy ang carrots, Charles. Ano naman, imuha, oh. Kani, oh. Gusto ko ng corn, ma'am. I want corn, mommy. I want corn. Oh, grapes, Charles. Oh, grapes. You want carrots? Ay, luto-luto na ako. Grapes? Gamay man ang grapes, Charles.